Hello friends, today I will show you how we can make sure that whatever the applications which we have installed on our mobile are safe or not. If any of the installed application contains malware or they are monitoring your activity, if such things are being happen, then it is very dangerous for your mobile. It might steal your information, your videos, contact information, your chat, sometimes maybe everything. So most of the times we are completely unfamiliar or unaware of it. Mostly the people who are not techno savvy, for them it is very difficult to find such things. I will show some basic steps to make your mobile secure. There are a lot of steps are available on internet. A lot of techniques are also available. You may refer that also. Before we start, I request you please subscribe my channel so that so that you all will get the notification of such short but important videos. None of my video will be more than 15 minutes. I will show demo how to scan app with Google Play Protect, and also download original app. There are some steps which we need to follow. First step is you need to install a good antivirus on your mobile. Nowadays, every company which provides security solutions and services are developing antivirus for mobile besides of laptop and desktop computers. There are very good antivirus softwares are available in the market. You may use them also. Uh, if you are finding difficulty in searching a good one, just Google it by typing best antivirus software for mobile. You will get the list. Here I am not endorsing any software, but don't try to download any free software. You are purchased smartphones in several thousands, so it is not very expensive for you to purchase antivirus for your precious mobiles. There are a wide range of antiviruses for mobile having prices from 100 rupees to 1000 rupees for 1 year. Once you install antivirus on your mobile, your stress will reduce because you think that now we have installed our antivirus, so it will be there are less chances that your mobile will get infected. And once you install antivirus on your mobile, most of the antivirus besides the checking of your installed applications have the facilities like call filter, anti-theft, text anti-phishing, safeKey, secure connection, password manager, and many more. Also make sure that it is regularly updated and never disable it. Second thing, if you are not using app for a long time, better it is better to remove it or disable it. Third and most important thing is be careful while allowing permission like accessing camera, locations, or contact for an applications which you want to download. If it is not necessary, don't allow it. Most of the applications which are related to scanning, photo editing, games, or videos are not safe. And fourth thing is do not download any APK from unknown resource. Generally, people download APK from Play Store only. Although Google Play isn't 100% safe from malware, but it's definitely safer than downloading apps from any other resource. If you are downloading any app from Google Play, you will find lots of app or having the same name or slightly different name or same logo. So don't confuse. To find out which one is correct, see the number of downloadings. Mostly original applications have maximum number of downloadings. Try to choose that one. And another thing is go for ratings and reviews. So if the application is not original, then people write in the comment that this application is fake, don't use it. So you may refer that comment. It will help you to find out the original applications and fake applications. Okay, so if you are not understanding whether this application is original or not, one more thing is there. You can go to the website, and from there you can come to the Play Store and you will get the right application. So I will show a small demo on that. Suppose I want to download a WhatsApp application. So what I will do, I will go to the WhatsApp website. So this is my WhatsApp website. When you go to the website, you will get that they have the app. That's why they provided a Google Play link, and this will it will show a Play Store website. When I click when I scroll down, it will ask that open in Play Store app. When I click on app, I will directly it it gives me that particular app. for that company. So you can say that this is very secure app, and it's an original app because we are retrieving it from their website. Okay, so as I have already installed it on my website, though, that's why they are not showing download, it's just showing the updates. So this is one way if you are confusing that the app is download original or not. So for that it is better to go to the respective website and come from there to the Play Store. You will get the right original application. Okay, so this is one thing. Let me close it. And if you found that you have downloaded wrong application, then it is better to immediately uninstall it. This is very important thing. And one more thing is make sure that Google Play protection is on. Actually, Google Play Protect is on by default, but you can turn it off. For security, Google is recommended that you always keep Google Play protection on. So how we can make it on? Let's see. But it's by default on. I will show how. I will show how we can go there. So click on setting. In setting, there is Google option. Click on Google, and okay, go to the security. In security, there is a Google Play protection. When you click on, you will see that no problems found, and these are the applications, recently scanned applications. So what it does, it generally keeps scanning the applications which are installed on your mobile, and if it finds that some application with a malicious code, they will immediately either delete it or it send the notifications to you. Okay, so now I just show how we can scan. You just need to click on scan. So it will take a couple of minutes, and you can see that it is scanning at the background that all the applications are safe or not. So it shows that scanning in progress. So just wait for a minute. So you okay, recently I have, I think, 84 plus apps are installed on my mobile. So we are scanning in progress. Okay, it's taking okay, yeah, no problems found. That means whatever the applications which I have installed on my mobile all are safe. Okay, so you can see that on the right top corner there is a setting icon. You click on setting icon, so you will see here that scan apps with Play Protect. As I said, Play Protection is on. Actually, Google Play Protect is on by default. It is for our application safety. And second option is improve harmful app detection. So this is basically used if you choose to install apps from unknown resources outside of the Google Play Store. Turning on the improve harmful app detection setting will allow Google Play Protect to send unknown app to Google to protect your harmful apps. So make sure that these both options should be enabled. Do not disable it at any cost. So let me close it. So you might be wondering that how Google Play Protect works. So Google Play Protect checks app when you install them. It also periodically scan your device. If it finds potential harmful app, then it might send you a notification. So never ignore the notifications which are received from Google Play and sorry, Google Protect. And sometimes it directly remove the app automatically. In most of the cases, if the harmful app has been detected, you will get the notification saying that the app was removed without your permission. They directly remove the app. So these are some safety precautions and informations how to make your phone and apps make your phone safe. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you.